Very good evening to all of you. I'll start a phrase saying that government projects can't be taken up, but today I'll leave with a mantra saying that no, government projects can be delivered and delivered with a overwhelming success. That is what we have done in the Passport Seva project. In fact, after the entire rollout of the 77 Passport Seva Kendra with all the technology side, all the process side, all the man management issues, right, change management issues, handling the union at one side, all those have been taken care, and I strongly believe this project as a part of National E-Governance Plan, where we have taken 27 mission mode project. We are working out with a model with DIT, Ministry of IT, where people can actually replicate it. Why are we wasting so much of time? Every project you learn about same RFP, every project you learn about same tendering process. Every project you learn about same re-engineering process. Every project you'll have hurdles of unions, buying in of employees. But here we are trying to invent a model where we can replicate across all the MMPs. Now, I'm very proud to say that today the Passport Seva project has already been rolled out across the country. That means 77 Passport Seva Kendra are already live and operational across the country, which has been again certified by a third party agency, another government agency called STQC, which is a third party agency for us. They have given a successful certification for the project last week itself. So, by itself, it means that this project has been taken up. When we started this project, there are huge challenges. Let me tell you why have we taken up this project and why every mission mode project before going ahead with uh, these large and voluminous project, the context should be very clear. The focus should be very clear. What is that you are going to do, and how is that you are going to do? Now, when we started Passport Seva project, we have basically three things in mind. There were three things in mind. One was the volume. I mean, today, like Mr. Sanyal right away asked, how many of we have passport in this audiences? I think everyone of we have passport. Now, that was the volume. I mean, December 2011, we issued around 75 of, lakhs of passport. That is around, if I count the missions also, 70 lakhs in fact. And every year we are growing by another 15-20%. So that is the volume we are talking about. So that was the mind in the back end when we started the Passport Seva. The second thought was, how do we service so much of people across the country? We were having only 37 passport offices across the country. But then we thought, if this is the case, how will you service so much of people across the country? Then we started building up a partnership project called PPP partnership in eGov. And then we have added another 77 Passport Seva Kendras, which is already live and operational. So this was the second thought. Then third and foremost thing, which is any e-governance project, or rather that's a governance issue. Everywhere there is a corruption, there is a middleman, there is a tort, there is no accountability, there is no audit of it. So that what has to be built up in this Passport Seva project, and we have done that. I can very much, and I'm sure that we have done that. Today you don't have to approach any tort. Today you don't have to approach any agent to get a passport. You accept can apply very easily, take a time, have an appointment, go to the Passport Seva Kendra, have a passport. So these things were, three things were in mind, and we started the project having these three things, how to address it. And our focus was very clear. Let us not diverse from this focus. First, you try to achieve whatever you have decided to achieve, and then probably think of integrating, collaborating with others, exchanging data with others, whatever other things you are trying to do it. Now, I'll not go into a presentation mode because there are many slides which I thought I'll go through it, what are the learnings. But I think this video will give you a complete view, what all we have done and how we have achieved the entire project success.
recent years, the Government of India has taken many initiatives to usher in an era of e-governance to improve the delivery of public services. The National E-Governance Plan includes many high-impact e-governance projects that have been identified as mission mode projects. One such project focuses on reforming passport services in India. The Ministry of External Affairs is responsible for issuance of passports to Indian citizens through a network of 37 passport offices across the country and 178 Indian embassies and consulates abroad. A passport is an essential travel document for those who are traveling abroad for education, tourism, pilgrimage, medical attendance, business purposes and family visits. During the last few years, the growing economy and spreading globalization have led to an increased demand for passport and related services. This trend is expected to continue with increased intensity in the foreseeable future. Hence, an urgent need was felt to provide improved passport services to Indian citizens. To address this challenge, the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, has launched the Passport Seva project in a public-private partnership mode with Tata Consultancy Services. Passport Seva endeavors to streamline the passport issuance process through a wider reach, improved processes and faster service delivery by effective use of information and communication technology. Rahul Sharma registers on the Passport Seva website and completes the online form. He also schedules an appointment to visit the nearest Passport Seva Kendra. On the appointed day, he reaches the Passport Seva Kendra, where he is guided through the application process up to granting in 7 easy steps. Starting with a thorough security check, he enters the pre-processing area. At the pre-processing area, his appointment slip and documents are checked by the staff and a token is issued. He proceeds to a comfortable waiting lounge. Here, he can enjoy several facilities while waiting for his token number to appear on one of the electronic displays. When his token number is displayed, Rahul proceeds to the Stage 1 processing counter. At this counter, Rahul's demographic data is verified by citizen service executives. This counter is also equipped for document scanning, biometric scanning, photography and collecting the passport application fee. He next proceeds to the application verification zone. Here, officials from the passport office verify his documents for authenticity and completeness. Once the verification process is completed, he is guided to the waiting area of the granting zone. When his token number appears on the display, he meets the granting officer, who checks his application in the system for duplicity and other background information, and then takes a decision on granting of the passport to Rahul. Finally, he receives a letter confirming his passport approval at the exit counter. In just 7 steps, Rahul has completed the requisite formalities at the Passport Seva Kendra. His passport will now be dispatched in a few days once the police verification process has been completed. Passport Seva Kendras with a comfortable and pleasing ambience have been set up in several cities and towns. A total of 77 Passport Seva Kendras are being established across India as extended arms of existing 37 passport offices. 15 mini Passport Seva Kendras are also being set up to bring remote areas under the coverage of Passport Seva. A call center has also been established, which operates round the clock 365 days a year. It uses a toll-free number and handles inquiries in 17 Indian languages.
The whole process was very well structured.
सीरियल वाइज काम हो रहा है, आपको ज़्यादा वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, प्रोसेस साथ पे साथ चल रहा है.
The attitude of the people working here is so nice.
And they are all very helpful, very nice to talk to, take care of even of my daughter also. They are very polite.
ಬೇರೆ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಥರ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೂತ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಕೌಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಟೈಮು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, 10-15 minutes ಈಚ್ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯಿತು.
पहले हम चंडीगढ़ जाना पैंदा सी, वो तो बहुत लंबियां लाइनां लगदियां सीगियां.
किस चीज़ के लिए कहाँ पे जाना है, कहाँ से क्या करना है, कौन सी इंक्वायरी कहाँ पे मिलती है, सब हेल्प कर रहे हैं.
The service is excellent, the staff is very cooperative and courteous, and the ambience is comparable to any office in any part of the world.
My overall experience is excellent and awesome, and I can't imagine it to be more systematic than what it is.
Passport Seva is an important initiative of the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, to bring it closer to the people, dedicated to the service of the nation by ensuring improved service delivery and better governance. The Ministry of External Affairs and its service partner, Tata Consultancy Services, are committed to transforming passport services in India.
Thank you very much. I'll leave this audience with three things, or rather three sentences to end up with. When we were starting this Passport Seva project, the main focus was on the service delivery. The nerve or the center were the citizens, and doing that, whatever we had to do, being active data centers, creating a call center, operating 24/7, changing the governance issues within the department, be it a change management issue, be it a institutional mechanism issue. All those have been done, all those have been created for, and that is why I am saying this is the one of the project which we strongly believe as a ministry, and we are having a discussion with various ministries, including UID for SEC, that let's have a project which can set a benchmark and let not every department go through the same pain which probably we have faced through. Thank you very much.